We begin at the end. Long ago, in the harsh mountains of Georgia, Dali was dying, the goddess of hunt and wild beasts. She was dying giving birth to the greatest hero of Georgian culture, Amirani. At the very same time, another woman stepped onto Georgian soil. In her hands she was carrying a cross, woven from her own hair and wine. Later, this woman will be named Saint Nino. This was not simple change of a face. This was creation of new world, the old one shifting, the balance changed. But the images of old gods do not die suddenly. They do not vanish. They transition from the hunting into heroic feat, from the forest into the desert, from the ancient body into a new history. And their echoes will always resound. In the dense forests, in the cold mountains, on the lips of our grandmothers telling fairy tales, in our dreams, and in every cell of our existence.